you're getting ready to retire and you want to know when you should actually flip the switch, call Medicare and get the paperwork started, stay tuned and I will talk about it. Hi, I'm Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare Family, and if you're watching this during the coronavirus outbreak, pandemic, it affects your mouth. Then you may or may not know that the Social Security offices have been closed to inbound traffic. That stands to change at any time. The way things are going with the pandemic, they might open, then they have a surge, they might close again. So if they're still closed when you're getting ready to join Medicare, you need to know that you will be applying over the phone and then faxing in your documents, because as of right now, it has been for 5 months closed to inbound traffic. There's no Medicare office, there's a Social Security office. And I don't know why they don't call it Social Security and Medicare, because it really throws people for a loop, that they have to go to the Social Security office to apply to get their Medicare started, even if they don't want their Social Security to start. Two separate programs, same office. Okay, so they kind of blend in and out. So if you already have Social Security because you took it early, then you're already in the system for Medicare when you turn 65. Now, if you turn 65 and you don't want to start your Social Security, you want to delay that to maximum out your benefit, and you want maybe not take that till 70, that's okay, but they can't take your premiums for your Medicare out of your Social Security. You got to write them a check. Versus if you're already on Social Security and Medicare, they will take your premiums for Medicare out of your Social Security check, and that'll be in your statement every month. Clear as mud, right? If you have questions, ask us in the comments. You can call us here at the Medicare Family. We'll answer your questions for free. So you want to know when you should call Social Security, because you don't want to quit your job right now, and God forbid you don't want to sign up for Medicare, and now it's going to start here. It kicks you off your group insurance, and now there's a gulf where you have no coverage, right? That's everybody's fear. So the rule of thumb is you can only apply for your Medicare to start 3 months before your effective date. So I always say the sooner the better, and tell them when you want it to start. So I said I'm going to retire in 3 months and I want it to start on September 1st. Now I get a lot of people on the other side of that equation that haven't done anything, and they're like, yeah, I'm retiring next week. How do I get this started? And I think they think it's just a real boom, quick thing, but it is the government, so no. So I've had people apply at the very last minute, which can create a little problem if you've already resigned from your job, in which case we might have to put you on a little temporary insurance plan until your Medicare starts. So the best rule of thumb, the best practice if you're helping your friends and your family is 90 days before you want your Medicare to start, call Social Security and get it started. Get the paperwork, get the process started. If you need help, call us at the Medicare Family. We'd love to help.